Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share your Google Calendars with others. So on the left panel, find the calendar you want to share, hover over it, and click on the snowman menu. Go to Settings and Sharing, and as you scroll down, you have a number of options for sharing. You can change the access permissions for events. Do you want to make your calendar and events public? Make it only available to people in your organization? Do you want to generate a shareable link so that you can publish that calendar to whoever you want and then they can subscribe as needed? Or do you want to personally invite users to subscribe to your calendars? If so, you can just click on Add People in Groups and invite whoever you need to, and then you can change the access settings that they would have. Can they just see events? Can they make changes? Whatever. And that's how you can change the sharing settings for a particular Google Calendar.